Hello and welcome back to our horse ranch tour part 2. Today we will be looking around, and last video was only 7 minutes long, but now this one should be 15 minutes. Hopefully, because I had to go to a potluck and I had no idea, so sorry. But we are here with Spartan, and honestly I just brought him over and made sure that he could do all the stuff that I have to show you guys, like dressage, stuff like that. I've actually got some moves that I can do, which is really cool. I didn't know I would have anything. I thought I would just sort of be walking around, but luckily I watched YouTube videos of dressage. And we have an amazing show jumping course, which if we don't get to today, we'll totally do part 3, and it'll be like there for 15 minutes, and then we'll be away for about, maybe at the maximum, including this one, let's just say, including this one, 3 more, because if this one doesn't go fast enough, we'll just do another one. And Spartan's walking away. Stay here, Spartan. Stay here. Okay, anyways, so yeah, we'll have this one, we'll have probably, maybe part 4 will be the jumping, just because it'll be a cool way to end it. But then part 3 might be me touring my whole zoo here, because it's not actually a zoo where we take wild animals, but it's sort of like zoo building where I rescued animals. And almost all of them are ones that got so injured that they can't go back into the wild. We have wolves, we have stuff like that, and we'll be riding past, you'll be able to see them. But now we just basically, now we will basically just be doing stuff with horses, because I promise you guys that. And we might come back here to get a racehorse, because they're faster. Perfect, we didn't go over 3 minutes for the intro. Okay, so let's go. So I already showed you our barn, so, well, I'll show you again. Spartan, be a good boy, stay here. I'm not too worried, because my place is so big that he wouldn't be able to wander out of grounds within the next 2 seconds. So these are all the horse stalls. There are a lot of them. And I'm not sure if we have enough to fit all of our horses. Probably not. And then we've got our mare and baby pen. I forgot. I can't just fly over. No cheatsies. And I have to close these because there is a mare and a baby. And the babies grow up way too fast. Pumpkin actually already grew up. So that's adorable. And Spirit's still guiding him, because I'm going to say that he's still just smaller, but he grew a bit, so just roll with it. Just roll with it. It's what we do here. Okay, so let's go. That's actually my village. I'll be showing everything else except for the horses in my other video. And tell me what you think about this, you guys. I actually have to check my other video, because my friend, Tim, is probably watching this, and they're like, they love horses. She loves horses, and it is so amazing. She loves horses, and so we share that very anonymously, and I'm lost because my world doesn't load in fast enough. Oh, I know, my render distance is not on completely, but I can't really turn it on completely because my world is so big. Like, you'll see in my other tour, it might even need to be 2 parts because of how big this place is. Come on. I need everything to load for a second. There we go, finally. I hate it when this happens. This is just the village's 2 horses. I just did that to keep them away from zombies, but nothing's gonna get them through there. Villagers aren't stupid enough to fall for that. Come on, things, load! Ugh, I need to turn my render distance on more. It's my only thing. Okay, music, sounds, control, video settings. Render distance. Let's just put it, that won't be too loady, but let's put it on 13 chunks. Back to game. Oh, great. This might become too laggy. If it is, I'm sorry, I'll have to put it down low, but my computer is being very good right now because this is like... Oh, right, it was only a loading on my old world. Okay, so right now we're going to be doing pool bending. So, Spartan is really good at it. I did actually have it that there were way more pools and it was impossible to do it. But here goes. We're not going to be timing anything just because Spartan, he's not really a Western horse. He's Western and English, but I haven't done this in so long. It's unfair to time him. So we're just going to go in between. At a show, I would have been ready if I had a show that I was going to show you guys. But trust me, jumping is like so fun because I've used all sorts of stuff to make cool jumps, and I thought I would share that with you guys because you guys might not know how to make amazing jumps. Because most of you guys, I think you just would make some fence, but trust me, there are so cool jumps. Oh, and I set up the evil flowers, and when we do it, it'll be my first time going over evil flowers, so we'll see how Spartan reacts. Of course, probably not the same as in real life, because it's just an object, but Scary Flowers is just a flower in a pot. So this is just my figure 8 setting. It makes me learn how to weave in between things, long distance apart, so that's just fun to do. And then he's a good jumper, so he can jump the highest than any horse. He can jump a 2 fence, 2 fences is limit. No horse can jump more than 2 fences. Like, no horse, I think. None that I have had. And here's barrel racing. I'll just do it as I talk. But, no horse that I know can do, 3 fences. Or maybe he can. Maybe that's why he's such a good jumper. Maybe he can, maybe he can't. But he can also do the highest that any horse can do. It's 3 blocks tall, which is amazingly high for a horse. It's taller than him, actually. There's my house. I'll tour that. And here's our dressage arena. And here's where it really gets to spectacular performance. And I'm definitely not grading myself on this because I don't do dressage, so I'm bad at it. But just roll with it that horses can't actually go slower than this. I wish that you could just click W once and that makes him walk, and W twice, not needing to hold it down. This is W twice would make him trot. W 3 times is canter. W 4 times is gallop. And then now we're gonna be just right now we're warming up, and now we're gonna be just over here, and we're gonna do a sideline cross just down there. Okay? So here goes. I'm gonna make my own music. Dun 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 dun. Come on, Spartan. Dun 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 dun. And now we just do the spinny thing, which is a pirouette. Duh, that's the end. I can't do anything else. I'm sorry. Honestly, this video, it took me a while to explain everything, so hopefully we can make it to the racetrack. Ugh, come on, Spartan, jump! Thank you. And these are my tour horses. I'll make this way bigger, probably, if I can. T/time set day. And hopefully I'll be able to show you the arena just for jumping, but we'll do a whole day of show jumping because I can't begin to tell you how much we can do in show jumping. Oh my god, I thought that was uncovered. Dun dun dun, 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 dun. Okay, here's the big racetrack. Like, this is the No Jokes racetrack, and I shouldn't be putting Spartan on it because he's not really a registered racehorse, but who cares? It's my world. It's not like it's a server and I have somebody to tell somebody that he's registered. And it's not like we're in a show, so it doesn't really matter. And I'm getting him to a full gallop. This is an extended gallop. Or that's what I call it. It's not the real world. Ugh. Back to game. Ugh. What's wrong with this? Sorry, that was just a thing. What? Wait a minute. Are you guys still